testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, my name is Pippo Siciliano. Today we're at Lygon Festa and we're going to go in to Forza Italia to buy an Italy hat. Thank you very much. So I need a Juventus or Italy hat for today, if you don't mind.
What about a wig?
No, I don't do no. I can bring it back, no? I can't bring it back. You drive a hard bargain, Joe. I'll buy it now. Where's my car? I got the car. Little fazzoletto car, chewing gum, and this here for you, alright? It's hot in here.
What?
So I can't get no refund on the call on the head.
No refund.
Oh, this is beautiful. $20.
Not Collingwood. Collingwood's $5.
You shouldn't say that to bet my team, but because it's you.
Go online as well.
Online. Thank you very much, everybody.
Ciao.
Ciao. Arrivederci.
Put in your details.
What's online?
Online? On the internet.
What's that?
On your computer.
I don't have a computer.
You don't have a computer.
I've still got that TV with the big box at the back. Bit of water.
And over there, you got iPads.
An iPad for my eye. And don't tell me you got tablet too, because I don't take no drug. I'll tell you man. Look at that, Mike. Look at that. Look at that. One hand. One hand. No hands. That's how it works. I pull a hamstring. Testing 1, 2, 3. Can I just ask you one question? Why do you have the best pizza in the world, John?
Perché facciamo la pizza napoletana.
It is the best. I come every week. I love it. I like to know, how do you get yourself in a good shape? Where do you go? What do you do?
I highly recommend Viva Fitness Club in Reservoir.
In Rome, you do like the Romans do. Come on. Come on. And what did you have for breakfast?
Equalize and spinach.
And what does that do to the human body?
It's very clean, protein, high protein foods, helps the muscles grow.
Bloody. Dance like this. In Rome, they're no good. Excuse me, this information booth?
Yeah.
What part of Italia do I come from?
Calabria.
You're wrong. This is Sicilia. My wife is Calabrese. She got a hard name. Can you translate Sicilian dialect? Se if I say to you, Caruso giocava, Kiddo era dog, o tavolo c'ava o pane. Now you come in here. What's your name, Josie?
Jody. Yes, il ragazzo giocava lì. Quello lì e l'altro il tavolo aveva il pane.
So what are you doing here today?
We're here to promote Cuda Fit Club.
Fit Club?
Yeah, Cuda
Yes,
Fit Club.
Kean Park.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Running out of the Viva Fitness Club. So
Where'd you see me?
On the computer.
On the computer, YouTube? What's your name? Davide, I'm a Pippo Siciliano.
That's right. El Pippo Siciliano, come stai?
Bene, grazie a lei. Today, usually I'm a tight ass,
Okay.
but I put my hand in my sacchetto and I got this. It's upside down, but anything for the cancer. See that? Just one. I got to know, I don't know. I gotta walk around with the balloon. Hey. That's all I hit. What you got now?
The big fella.
Hang on, signora, I'll get to my microphone. 1, 2, 3.
Take a couple.
Hello? Where you from?
Hello.
Whereabouts? Thailand?
Yeah, hello.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you very much. Ciao. Signora?
I'm from Clayton.
You're from Clayton, Italy?
Yeah,
In Melbourne. Signora? My name is Pippo Siciliano, you're the best. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Ciao. Arrivederci.